They said it was impossible, that once you hit 70, your body simply gives up, muscles shrink like autumn leaves, strength fades no matter how tightly you try to hold on, and every simple movement feels heavier than it should. But what if that decline wasn't inevitable at all? What if hidden inside some of the tiniest seeds on Earth lies a secret that could reverse muscle loss, restore balance, and bring back the steady strength you thought was gone forever? Deep in the mountains of Japan, researchers uncovered a natural protein that rebuilds aging muscles up to 21 times better than eggs, even in people well past 70. And yet, you've probably never heard of it. Why? Because this discovery threatens a $70 billion protein industry that depends on keeping you weak and dependent. In this video, we're exposing the 6 forgotten seeds that can rebuild muscle faster than any powder, pill, or shake. And the third one is so powerful, scientists secretly call it nature's own creatine. Stay till the end, because once you see how it works, you'll never look at your breakfast the same way again. Comment below with your age and where you're watching from, and don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing health discoveries. We begin at number 6 with a seed most people only crunch at baseball games while keeping score on a napkin. Sunflower seeds look small and ordinary, yet every 100 grams hides 21 grams of complete protein, the kind your body can use every single bit of without wasting a crumb. What makes them special for anyone over 70 is the river of vitamin E flowing through them. A quarter cup gives you 82% of what you need in a day. Vitamin E stands guard around each muscle cell the way a thick wall protects a castle, keeping the rust of daily wear from eating the stone away. All 9 building blocks your body cannot make on its own are present and ready, but the real magic is a substance called arginine. Picture arginine as a friendly postman who speeds blood straight to the muscles, and studies show he can hurry along 40% more blood in older bodies. More blood means more oxygen, more repair crews, more raw materials delivered exactly where the rebuilding is happening. In one careful experiment, a handful of older adults ate 30 grams of sunflower seeds every day. 8 weeks later, their grip strength rose 15%. That might not sound like much, until you learn that how firmly you can squeeze a doctor's hand is one of the clearest signs of how many healthy years you have left. To get the most out of sunflower seeds, drop them into a bowl of lightly salted water before bed and let them soak until morning. The soak wakes up tiny enzymes that make the protein easier to unwrap and use, while washing away a natural brake called phytic acid that can slow mineral absorption. In the morning, you can eat them soft and raw, or spread them on a baking sheet and warm them at the lowest oven setting until they smell like summer. Some people grind the soaked seeds into a smooth butter and smear it on whole grain toast for a breakfast that quietly rebuilds muscle while the coffee brews. If you pair the seeds with something bright like sliced bell pepper or a juicy orange, the vitamin C inside the fruit teams up with the seed proteins and boosts uptake by a full quarter. Vitamin C is the master carpenter that weaves collagen, the springy netting that keeps muscle fibers strong and flexible. Timing is a gentle friend here too. If you nibble the seeds within half an hour after any movement, whether it is a brisk walk around the block or a slow dance in the kitchen, your body flips a switch that keeps muscle-building engines running for hours. Sunflower seeds are only the opening note. The next seed on our list carries twice as much of the one amino acid that tells muscles it is time to grow. Number 5 is a seed so small it hides on hamburger buns like a shy child at a birthday party. Sesame seeds hold 18 grams of top-quality protein in every 100 grams. But their secret weapon is a compound the Japanese call sesamin. When older adults added sesamin to their days, the rate at which their bodies stitched new muscle jumped 31%. Most plant proteins are missing a crucial piece called methionine, yet sesame seeds carry more of it than many cuts of meat, even more than eggs. Methionine is the spark plug for keeping muscle from melting away as birthdays pile up. 2 tablespoons of creamy tahini, nothing more than ground sesame seeds, taken every day for 6 weeks, raised natural testosterone in older men by 18% and slashed the time their muscles needed to bounce back by 40%. The seeds also deliver a full mineral chorus, 35% of the calcium your bones and muscles share, 25% of the magnesium that helps every fiber relax and contract, and 20% of the iron that keeps oxygen flowing to every working cell. To unlock all that goodness, warm the seeds in a dry pan for 2 or 3 minutes until they turn golden and the kitchen fills with a warm, nutty perfume. The gentle heat cracks the outer shell and makes the protein 45% easier to absorb. Whirl the toasted seeds with a thread of olive oil, and you have homemade tahini smoother than any store jar, perfect for drizzling over steamed greens or dipping crisp carrot sticks. Eating sesame in the evening is like sending a lullaby to your muscles. The magnesium quiets restless legs and deepens sleep. And it is during those quiet midnight hours that the real repair work happens. Sesame is wonderful, but the next seed brings more omega-3 fats than salmon and rebuilds muscle in ways that feel like gentle miracles. Number 4 is the flax seed, a tiny brown teardrop that carries 18 grams of protein in every 100 grams. The star player here is alpha-linolenic acid, an omega-3 that cools inflammation by 52% while turning the dial on muscle protein creation up by 27%. Arginine and glutamine ride along in generous amounts. And as we age, our bodies start to run low on both unless we invite them in through food. Flax seeds also contain lignans, plant compounds 800 times more concentrated than in any other bite. These lignans sharpen the way insulin works by 35%. And insulin is the friendly usher that walks protein and sugar straight into muscle cells. In one 12-week experiment, older adults stirred 2 tablespoons of ground flax into their morning routines and grew 1.5 pounds of new muscle while melting away 2 pounds of fat, all without adding a single push-up or changing a single other habit. The catch is that whole flax seeds sail through the belly untouched, so grind them fresh or buy them already ground and keep them chilled in the freezer to protect the delicate oils. Stir the powder into oatmeal and watch it thicken into a comforting cushion, or whirl it into a fruit smoothie where it slows the rush of sugar and keeps energy steady for hours. Pair flax with yogurt alive with friendly bacteria and the protein becomes 40% more available. The tiny microbes chew through tough fibers and hand the amino acids straight to your muscles. Flax is impressive, but the seed coming next offers a protein package that stands toe-to-toe with the most expensive whey powders money can buy. Number 3 is the emerald heart of the pumpkin seed, glowing green beneath a pale shell and packing a whopping 30 grams of protein into every 100 grams. A single ounce delivers 20% of the daily zinc older bodies crave for mending tears and keeping testosterone humming. German laboratories found a protein unique to pumpkin seeds that quiets post-exercise soreness by 45%, letting grandparents lace up walking shoes more often and stack strength faster. Magnesium pours in too. 1 handful nearly halves the daily need, and magnesium is the conductor for over 300 tiny reactions that turn protein into living muscle. Nearly 7 out of 10 adults past 70 fall short on this mineral without realizing it. Every essential amino acid is present in proportions that match muscle needs almost perfectly. And the tryptophan inside not only builds tissue but ushers in sleep so deep that growth hormone rises like a tide to repair the day's wear. In a 10-week study, older adults who munched 40 grams of pumpkin seeds alongside gentle weight exercises grew 60% more lean muscle than friends who ate the same amount of protein from eggs. To bring out the best, soak the seeds in salted water for 8 to 10 hours until tiny sprouts appear, then roast them low and slow, no hotter than 170 degrees, for 15 minutes until they crunch between your teeth. Eat a palmful in the afternoon to keep blood sugar on an even keel, or set a small bowl by the bed so slow-release proteins stand guard against overnight breakdown. Pumpkin seeds are mighty, but the seed waiting at number 2 earned a nickname from space scientists who needed the perfect food for long journeys among the stars. Number 2 is the hemp seed, soft and mild, with 31 grams of complete protein per 100 grams and a digestibility score of 94%. That means almost every crumb reaches the muscles, instead of taxing kidneys that have carried us faithfully for decades. A special protein called edestin looks so much like the proteins in our own blood that the body welcomes it home without fuss or waste. Australian laboratories discovered hemp carries omega-6 and omega-3 fats in a perfect 3-to-1 balance that cools whole body inflammation by 58% and speeds muscle recovery by 35%. A rare fat named gamma-linolenic acid works the opposite of typical omega-6 fats. Instead of stoking fire, it calms it. And in 6 weeks it lifted strength 25% in people who had not lifted a weight in years. Leucine, the master switch for muscle growth, flows more generously from hemp than from eggs. And older bodies need extra leucine to hear the build signal loud and clear. Sprinkle hemp seeds on anything: oatmeal, soup, salad, yogurt, and their gentle nutty taste blends right in. 3 or 4 tablespoons. scattered across the day, keep amino acids swimming in the bloodstream so muscles stay in growth mode instead of slipping into quiet loss that can steal 1 or 2% of mass every year. Past 70, hemp is remarkable, but the seed at the very top of our list rewrites the rules of hydration and protein delivery in ways no other food can match. Number 1 is the chia seed, black and white specks no bigger than a pinhead that ancient runners carried in tiny pouches because a single spoonful could fuel a day of steady strides. 17 grams of complete protein live in every 100 grams. But the true wonder is that chia can drink 12 times its weight in water and turn into a slow-release gel that feeds muscles for up to 6 hours. Researchers at a famous California university noticed something astonishing. While most proteins become harder to absorb as we age, chia protein grows easier, jumping from 76% absorption in the young to 95% in those over 70. Leucine makes up 7% of chia protein, rivaling fancy whey, yet chia soothes the stomach instead of upsetting it. The gel that forms when chia meets liquid slips water and nutrients straight into muscle cells, swelling them by 20% and flipping on growth signals that echo through the tissue. In a sun-drenched study in Mexico, men and women past 70 ate 2 tablespoons of chia every day for 12 weeks and added nearly 3 pounds of lean muscle, walked 23% faster, and gripped 31% harder, all without adding a single exercise beyond their usual gentle routines. To harness the magic, stir 2 tablespoons of chia into a cup of milk, dairy or plant, and add a whisper of vanilla and cinnamon. Then tuck the bowl in the fridge overnight. By morning, you have a creamy pudding that releases protein like a patient friend all through the sunrise hours. Or drop the dry seeds into yogurt and watch them bloom inside your stomach, stretching fullness while delivering every amino acid in perfect rhythm. These 6 seeds are not complicated pills or expensive powders. They are quiet gifts from the earth that anyone can invite into breakfast, lunch, or a bedtime snack. Start with 1. Let your body whisper thank you. Then add another when it feels right. Consistency is the soft hammer that shapes strength day by day, year by year. Your muscles do not have to surrender to time. They only need the right nourishment delivered with patience and care. If these stories lit a small fire of hope inside you, keep it burning by trying 1 seed tomorrow and telling us how it feels. The golden years can glow with the same steady strength that carried you through every earlier chapter. And it all begins with a handful of tiny seeds.